first time I picked up a phone and typed out to make money online, I was a broke teenager who had no phone. The only time I could access anything online was with my sister's small Android phone, which she managed to share with me at that point. I literally did not have any laptop, no connections, but all I did have was a supporting mother by my side. My mom was raising I and my siblings on my own, always trying to find a way. Sometimes she said she was not hungry so that we could eat the remaining food at home. But until one day something happened, I saw her cry. See, she had lost most of her savings to an online investment. Basically one of those pyramid schemes which says that you need to bring one person to bring another person before you could withdraw your earnings. Eventually, they shut down and nobody could find them, not even a single trace. You see, when that happened, that was my very first time to see my mom break down. And I made a decision that day that I'm going to figure out this online thing no matter what. I made that decision so that I could help my mom, I could help her breathe and offload some of the problems that she was carrying, because most of the problems requires money to be solved. So when I tell you I understand how it feels to be desperate, to be hungry, to be in that space where you need something to work, trust me, I've lived there. This video is not for the people with rich uncles, people with MacBook and soft lives. It is for you, the one who's watching, wondering if this video is going to give you something real. I'm about to show you 20 small businesses that you can start in 2025, even if you have little to no capital, no fancy gear, no hype, just your smartphone that you're using to watch me, and hunger to make something work. If it's your first time here, my name is Divine Kennedy and you're highly welcome to my channel. Please do well to subscribe, because on this channel we share smart ways people can start and scale on online businesses using their smartphone or any devices of theirs. So let's get into the video. The very first small business that you can start in 2025 is to start a skill channel with your phone. So what is a skill channel? A skill channel is a page or account on TikTok, Instagram or YouTube where you teach people how to do one specific thing that you're good at. That is, it could be how to braid your hair, how to do small chops. So the idea is simple. You pick one skill that you already know, you teach people about the skill, you can make long form content, you can make short form content, you post consistently, you build trust, great community, then you can monetize your page or an account. So let's say for example on YouTube here, you're teaching people a skill that you're good at. Once you have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours watch time, you can actually apply for the YouTube Partners program, and of course you can monetize your content. So what tools do you need to start? Honestly, just your smartphone is enough. You can shoot your videos using natural light, which is sunlight. You can use free editing apps like CapCut, VN to edit your videos properly. Then you can post consistently on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or even long form content on YouTube. So let's break it down. You teach people very well, then you can build an audience on your social media pages. You can also monetize your social media pages by selling digital ebooks to them. You can offer paid classes or live sessions to your audience. Then you can also monetize via paid partnerships, brands will pay you to be in your video. So instead of holding your knowledge on a particular skill that you're very good at, you can start teaching out that skill to people. You build an audience, shop consistently, then you can sell later. Number 2 on my list, start a thrift business. It is otherwise known as Okrika or Bend Down Select. You can also call it vintage reselling. So what is a thrift business? A thrift business is where you buy second-hand clothes at low prices, you clean them, style them, and resell them for profit. And no, it's not just selling old clothes, it is flipping fashion with branding and packaging. So the third one on my list is called freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork, even without having a laptop. So basically all you have to do is to offer your digital skills, and in return you get paid for it. Now the fourth one on my list is starting a small cleaning services, right? And the fifth one on my list is called WhatsApp mini importation. Now the 6th small business that you can start in 2025 and beyond with your smartphone without even having to show your face and no capital is to build viral Instagram theme pages. Now what is it? You build an Instagram page around a specific niche, then you grow that page by posting viral engaging content. Then when you have built up your followers and engagement, you can now sell to them a product, or you can start taking brand deals from different brands to advertise on your page. Also, make sure to check if these brands are legit before promoting anything on your viral Instagram pages. Now, the 7th small business idea on my list is start a WhatsApp TV channel. Now, what is a WhatsApp TV? A WhatsApp TV is a broadcast-based channel where you post daily updates. It could be memes, it could be educational posts, also it could be comedy. So make sure to build an audience, an active one for that matter. Now once you start having views on your WhatsApp TV channel, you can start charging for ads, or you can sell your own digital products. It is like running a mini blog, but this time it is on WhatsApp. Number 8 small business that you can start in 2025 and beyond is to create and sell Notion templates. Now Notion is a free app that people use to organize their lives. It could be their daily goals, tracking habits, budgeting, studying, and a whole lot more. But here's the problem. Most people don't know how to design it well, and Here's how you come in to solve that problem. You build useful Notion templates once and you can resell it. Now, what kind of templates can you sell? You could sell daily planners, wedding and event planners, self-care journals, fitness and meal planning templates, budgeting trackers, and what do you need to start? Number one, a free Notion account. Number two, a bit of creativity. Then a Canva account for making clean covers. And finally, Gumroad to list your digital products to sell. Number nine, offer simple AI-powered services using ChatGPT and other free AI tools. Now, you don't need to be a tech bro to make money from AI. You can use ChatGPT, Canva, and other free tools to offer digital services like writing captions, writing ad copy, product descriptions, social media planners. So you just have to package it smart and deliver with human touch. Number 10, UGC, which stands for User Generated Content for Brands. This is one of the hottest business model actually. Now, this is not about being an influencer. With UGC, brands pay you to create content using their products as a normal customer. You don't need followers, you don't need ring lights, and you don't even need to show your face if you want to. So examples of UGC content are unboxing videos, before and after reviews, testimonial talking videos. So here's how the process works. You film with your phone, you can edit with basic editing tools like CapCut, then you send to the brand, and once they approve it, you get paid. Now, the 11th business on my list is starting Amazon KDP. So what is Amazon KDP? KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, a platform by Amazon that lets you publish and sell your books without having to print anything yourself. Now, you upload the file, Amazon prints it, Amazon ships it. You sit back and collect your royalties. So what kind of books can you sell on Amazon KDP? Number one, coloring books for children and adults, gratitude journals, fitness journals, motivational quotes books, and there are a whole lot of them. Number 12, sell YouTube thumbnail as a service. See, most YouTubers really don't know how to design thumbnails, especially faceless YouTubers. So how do you come in? You create these thumbnails for these YouTubers, and in return you get paid for it. You can leverage on free tools like Canva or Photopea to create quality, stunning thumbnails. Now, number 13 small business ideas on my list is license your photos, videos, or voice to AI and media platforms. Now, how does this work? You create and upload original assets like your photos, short videos of yourself, or voice recordings to platforms that pay you licensing fees anytime your videos or pictures is being used. Now, how do you make money from this? You get paid per download of your photos, or per license, or through revenue sharing. Now, the 14th small business idea on my list is starting a local food business around you. Now, here's the truth. Not everybody has the time to cook. Some people like me are content creators and we have works planned out the whole of the day. We don't have time to cook. So what do? We look for food vendors that are around us and we order food from them. So you can come into the midst and you can start a food business. No, you don't need to go and open a shop anywhere. You can start cooking from home, taking orders from clients or busy people around your areas. Then you can deliver your awesome sumptuous meal to your customers. And here's the best part. If your food is sweet, definitely you're going to get recommendations. Number 15, become a digital product reseller. So you sell digital products that you did not create legally. This could be ebooks, Canva templates, Notion dashboards, AI prompt hack. So you buy resale rights or PLR, which is private label rights to a product once. Then you can rebrand it, repackage it, and you can resell it over and over again. And of course, you keep your profit. Now, the 16th small business idea on my list is start a mobile car wash. You can actually go to people's homes and you can pitch the ideas of washing their cars from home. And here's one fact that most people don't know. I can be very lazy to drive to the car wash. If somebody can pitch this idea to wash my car for me from home, definitely I'll pick on this idea, and maybe so many people can be open to this offer. Number 17 small business idea on my list, start a digital styling and lookbook business. Now let me explain. You become a digital stylist or fashion consultant. See, many people are unique. They know fashion very, very well. They can put clothes together. So why not to start consulting for people who don't know anything about fashion, and in return you charge them for consulting. At number 18, start a niche shoe business. You can start from your very first pair of sneakers. You can buy a pair of sneakers and you can sell to a friend. Then you can also open a sneaker page on Instagram. Now, on this sneaker page, you can post different shoes. Now, if somebody wants to buy, they can easily come into your DM. Now, once they order, you can act as the middleman. You can go and buy the shoe, and of course, you keep your profits. Right? Number 19, start a custom trending phone case business. So you sell stylish customized phone cases for people. You can start this business by buying one phone case and you can sell to a friend, a classmate, or a family member. And the last one, which is my favorite one because we are saving the best for the last, is to start a faceless YouTube channel. You can actually leverage on AI tools and your own creativity to grow a channel. Now, once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partners Program. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video, and let me know the small business ideas that you're looking to get started with in the comment section. Now, do not forget to share this video to anybody who's looking for a business idea or anybody looking to start a business in 2025 and beyond. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Stay with it. Peace.